Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make side hustle money online. First, identify your unique skills and interests. This helps you choose the right path. Next, research platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients. Setting clear, achievable income goals, perhaps aiming for an extra $200 to $500 monthly, is crucial. Dedicate a few hours each week consistently to see progress and build momentum. Many popular online side hustles offer great flexibility. Consider freelance writing, editing, or graphic design if you have creative skills. These often pay $20 to $50 per hour. Becoming a virtual assistant provides administrative support to businesses, typically earning $15 to $30 hourly. Online tutoring is another excellent option, allowing you to teach subjects like math or English for $25 to $40 per session. Selling products and services online can generate significant income. You can create digital products like ebooks or online courses, which offer high profit margins, sometimes 90% or more. Physical products, from handmade crafts to dropshipped items, can be sold on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Additionally, monetizing content through a blog or YouTube channel, earning through ads or sponsorships, provides another avenue. To truly grow your online income, focus on strategic development. Build a strong online presence through a professional website or social media, networking with others in your field. Continuously learn new skills, perhaps taking an online course for $50 to $100 to expand your service offerings and command higher rates. Reinvesting 10 to 20% of your earnings back into your business helps scale your efforts for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.